Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best compound bows for kids is probably one of the most exciting and engaging ways for young archers to develop their skills, offering a blend of power, accuracy, and a sense of accomplishment that traditional bows might not provide, making it an ideal choice for introducing children to the sport of archery with equipment that is both fun and functional, ensuring a positive and memorable introduction to this classic discipline. Number 5. Youth Beginner Compound Bow. Introducing our new compound bow, designed specifically for youth and beginners. It's lightweight and easy to handle, making it ideal for starting your archery journey. This bow features adjustable draw length from 19 to 28 inches and draw weight from 15 to 29 pounds. It can grow with the archer, ensuring a comfortable and effective experience. Experience exciting performance with a speed of up to 260 feet per second. It offers a smooth 65% let-off for a comfortable shooting experience. Get everything you need to start shooting right away. The package includes the bow, arrows, sight, rest, quiver, arm guard, and more. Constructed from durable engineering plastic, this bow is built to last. Its net weight of only 2.5 pounds makes it easy to carry and maneuver. Choose the perfect look. This bow comes in a variety of colors including red, green, blue, black, and pink to suit individual preferences. Remember to always read the manual before use and never dry fire the bow. Safety first ensures a great experience for everyone. What we like. This bow is designed for youth and beginners, offering adjustable draw weight and length without needing a bow press. If you're looking for a bow that grows with the young archer and is easy to set up, this is a great choice. Its higher speed and lightweight construction make it fun and manageable for entry-level users. What people say. The bow is lightweight and easy for kids to handle. It comes with everything needed to get started, including arrows and a target. The adjustable draw weight allows the bow to grow with the child. Number 4. Bear Archery Brave Youth Compound Bow Set. Get ready for adventure with the Bear Archery Brave Compound Youth Bow Set. It's designed for young archers, offering a perfect introduction to the sport. This bow comes ready to shoot, including 2 safety glass arrows. It's an introductory bow designed for immediate fun and learning. It comes with all the necessary accessories to get started, such as a whisker biscuit arrow rest, a bow sight, and finger rollers. The included whisker biscuit arrow rest is recognized as the safest in the archery industry. This valuable accessory ensures a secure and reliable shooting experience. This bow is specifically recommended for youth archers between the ages of 8 and 12. It provides an appropriate and enjoyable experience for this age group. It features an adjustable draw weight up to 25 pounds and a draw length up to 19.5 inches. This allows it to accommodate growing young archers as they develop their skills. What we like. This set is perfect for younger archers, specifically ages 8 to 12, and comes ready to shoot right out of the box. If you need a complete package with a safe and reliable arrow rest, this is an excellent option. It's designed for ease of use and safety for this specific age group. What people say. The bow is very lightweight and easy for kids to handle. It's a great starter bow with adjustable draw weight, making it suitable for different ages and strengths. The included accessories like the sight and arrow rest are helpful for beginners. Number 3. Genesis Original Compound Bow and Arrow Kit. Get everything you need for a great archery experience. This kit includes a high-performance bow, arrows, quiver, and arm guard for a complete setup. Whether you're right-handed or left-handed, this bow is designed for you. It's perfect for archers of all ages and skill levels. Enjoy a personalized shooting experience with adjustable draw length and weight. It's engineered for optimal performance and reliability. Experience hassle-free shooting with its innovative single-cam design. You'll enjoy minimal recoil and improved accuracy, making it great for everyone. This bow comes pre-assembled and ready to use right out of the box. It's built with durable materials for long-lasting performance. What we like. This bow is a complete archery solution, ideal for archers of all skill levels due to its innovative single-cam design. If you want a bow that requires minimal maintenance and offers consistent accuracy without tuning headaches, this is the one. It's perfect for beginners who want to focus on shooting and experienced users who appreciate its reliability. What people say. The bow is lightweight and easy for children to handle, promoting good shooting form from the start. It features an adjustable draw weight and length, allowing it to grow with the child and be customized for their size. The included sight and arrow rest make it simple to set up and start shooting accurately, even for beginners. Number 2. Genesis Mini Youth Bow Archery Set, Left Hand, Blue. This archery set is a complete kit designed for young archers. It includes everything needed to get started, making it suitable for various applications and conditions. This bow is specifically designed for left-handed shooters. It is drawn with the left hand and held in the right hand for optimal control. Its adjustable draw length and weight make it perfect for young archers. It's engineered for optimal performance as they develop their skills. Experience smooth and accurate shots thanks to its single-cam technology. It's designed for optimal control and a comfortable shooting experience. This bow comes pre-assembled with durable materials. It's ready for immediate use right out of the box, ensuring lasting fun. What we like. This mini youth bow is specifically designed for younger children, offering a very light and adjustable draw weight. If you have a very young archer just starting out and need something compact and easy to handle, this is an excellent fit. Its single-cam technology ensures smooth and accurate shots, making it ideal for developing fundamental skills. What people say. The bow is lightweight and easy for kids to handle. It's a great starter bow with adjustable draw weight, perfect for growing children. The package includes everything needed to start shooting right away, like arrows and a target. Number 1. Bear Archery Royale Ready to Hunt Compound Bow. Introducing the Bear Archery Royale. This compound bow is designed for hunters of all ages, offering incredible versatility and adjustability for a personalized experience. Easily adjust the draw length from 12 to 27 inches and the draw weight from 5 to 50 pounds. It's built to adapt to your unique shooting style. This bow comes fully equipped with top-tier Trophy Ridge and Fletcher archery accessories, so you can head straight to the field, ready to hunt. Experience powerful performance without the bulk. Weighing in at just 2.7 pounds, bow only, it's incredibly lightweight for easy handling. Achieve impressive results with arrow speeds up to 290 feet per second. This bow delivers the speed and accuracy you need for a successful hunt. What we like. This bow offers incredible versatility with a wide range of adjustability in both draw length and weight, along with a high arrow speed. If you're looking for a bow that can accommodate both youths and adults and grow with them over many years, this is a fantastic investment. Its lightweight design also makes it comfortable to handle for extended periods. What people say. The bow is lightweight and easy for kids to handle. It's a great starter bow that helps children develop proper shooting form. The adjustable draw weight is a fantastic feature for growing kids. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.